No te whakatipuranga tuatoru a Samantha Wells I tōna whānau eke hōiho kai ke mureti no hoana. Kua eke nā pū ki nā eke hōiho o Wells ki taumata ke atu I te reana taiohi. Ko tana hiahia ki atu ia hei toa whakakanohi ia Aotearoa ki tā wāhi.
He rangatahi Māori e hārapa ke nei ki ngā taumata ike o te ao eke hōiho.
I do have Olympic dreams. I've had a dream of going to the Olympics since I was a little girl. It started off as wanting to go as a show jumper, but I didn't inherit my mother's brave genes, so here we are doing dressage.
He mea tuku iho e nei mahi ki a Samantha Wells, e whai nei ngā tapuai o tōna māma me tōna krani mā, he kaieke hōiho hoki e te wā iara aua.
She just shows the dedication that's needed. This is not an easy sport in any shape or form. To be able to get out of bed in the rain, hail and snow and, and do all that sort of stuff, you have to endure lots of hardships to get all the good ships here. Horse riding is very much up and down sport. Samantha showed the resilience and she showed the dedication and she showed the desire to want to do it.
I guess she just said she'll be proud of me no matter what I do and no matter what happens on the day, as long as I try my best. So just knowing that support from her is always with me, I'm just so grateful.
Nō ngā rangitata nei, toa ai a Wells, tōna reanga I te whakataetai oro dressage by the lake. I nāia nei, kei te anga whakamua tōna titiro, ki ngā rā ki tua.
I love the challenge. It's not an easy sport. I find it very difficult, but achieving your goals is what makes it so awesome, and it's just incredible to work with an animal and see what you can achieve together.
Heoi, e haratana toa I te toa takitahi, I nā rā ko tōna hōiho, ko Ruby, tōna hoa pūmau I tēnei haerenga.
I'd say it took us a full sort of year and a half to bond, to get to know each other. I suppose we're both girls, we both have up and down days, and horses definitely respect and listen to what you tell them to do. This partnership is one I'm looking forward to, and hopefully I can be the one to take her through to the Olympics.
Ko tōna aronga nui I tēnei wā, he whakapakari I ai anō, kia pūrena ai te kete. Hei te maramai tū mai nei, ka urua noa Wells ki te whakataetai ki tāmaki makaurau. Riri Adults and Reedy, te ao mārama.